Let's review some place values so that we can add with place value. So let's start with a problem such as 33 ones. Now when I think of my ones, I think of my little place value blocks. And if I have 33 of these, there's a couple different ways I can actually write this. I could have my 33 ones, but I also know that 10 of these ones is equal to a 10. So what I can do also is I can think of this 33 ones as actually 3 tens. 1, 2, 3, because each of these is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 20, 30. So I can think of 33 ones as 3 tens, but then I still will have my 3 ones. So 33 ones is equal to 3 tens plus 3 ones. Now let's try another one. Now I'm going to have 5 tens. So here's my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here is my 5 tens. So how much is 5 tens equal to? 5 tens is equal to 50, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, which is really kind of like saying 50 ones. Now the next one, we're going to start getting into a little bit more of addition. So let's do 4 tens plus 7 tens. So I can think about this a couple different ways. I can have my 4 tens, 1, 2, 3, 4. And I can add my 4 tens to 7 tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how many tens would I have in all? 4 plus 7, I would have how many tens? It equals 11 tens. But what is 11 tens equal to? Well, how much would 10 tens be equal to? 10 tens is equal to 100. So I could also say that 11 tens is equal to 100 plus one of my tens. But couldn't I also say that this is just equal to 110? Do you see how many different ways we can write this 4 tens plus 7 tens? We can say it's equal to 11 tens. I know that 11 tens is the same as 100 and 110, which I know is all equal to 110 ones. Now let's try 23 tens. So let's start by thinking about if I wanted to write this as hundreds and tens, how many hundreds and how many tens would this be? Because I'm not going to have 23 of these tens, so how can we switch that around? I'm going to say this is equal to so 23 tens is equal to how many hundreds and how many tens? All right, now that you know it's equal to 2 hundreds and 3 tens, How could I also write this number in standard form? So just how many ones are there? I could say that there are 230 ones. Good job.